When was the last time you had a snack that transported you to a different part of the world? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of tropical snacks, which not only offer vibrant flavors, but serve as a perfect setting for fathers to bond with their kids. It's more than just about food, it's about creating memories and exploring cultures together. So, what makes tropical regions so special when it comes to snacks? Tropical regions are known for their diverse and rich food environments, deeply influenced by a variety of cultures and climates. Countries like Brazil, Thailand, and the Caribbean islands boast unique snack cultures, where ingredients such as coconuts, plantains, and exotic spices play a central role. These snacks are often fresh, colorful, and exciting, making them ideal not only for satisfying cravings, but also for educating young minds about geography and culture through taste. When fathers and children cook together, it's an opportunity for learning and laughter, a special time to communicate and connect. Cooking is a hands-on activity, and for kids, it's a great way to learn about the world. Each ingredient, each step has its story that connects back to the culture it originates from. In tropical regions where the weather is warm and the ingredients are vibrant, you'll find some fascinating stories and delightful treats. Let's start with a refreshing tropical fruit salad, which is simple and fun to make. You'll need fresh ingredients like pineapple, mango, papaya, and maybe some kiwi or starfruit if you can find them. Start by slicing these fruits into bite-sized pieces. Encourage your kids to help with washing and arranging the fruits. This is where they can get really creative. You can toss the fruits together with a little bit of freshly squeezed lime juice and a drizzle of honey to enhance the natural sweetness. As you prepare this salad, talk to your kids about where each fruit comes from, perhaps even show them on a map. It's a delicious lesson in geography. Next, let's try a savory tropical snack. Plantain chips are a fantastic choice and very popular in many tropical cultures. Start with green plantains. Peel them and slice them thinly. This is a job for Dad, as it may require using a mandolin for even slices. Heat up some vegetable oil and fry the slices until they're crispy and golden. While they fry, sprinkle some salt or maybe a bit of chili powder for a little kick. Kids can help with the seasoning, and it's wonderful to see them get involved in such a tactile and aromatic process. Discuss how plantains are essential in different countries and their versatility in both sweet and savory dishes. Now let's dive into the geography of these ingredients. For instance, did you know that pineapples originated in South America and traveled to the Caribbean and beyond? Or that plantains are a staple in West Africa, but have become beloved in Latin American and Caribbean cuisines? Sharing these stories enhances the cooking experience, making it not just about eating, but about understanding how cultures connect across the world. To maximize interaction with children in the kitchen, embrace the sensory experience. Encourage them to feel the textures, smell the aromas, and of course taste the results. Ask them open-ended questions like, "What does this smell remind you of?" Or if you could add one ingredient, what would it be? As they express themselves, they not only learn more effectively, but also feel valued. While these recipes are a great starting point, don't hesitate to put your spin on them. If your family loves spicy food, add a touch of heat to your fruit salad with some chopped chili. Or if you have access to other tropical fruits, swap them in. The possibilities are endless, and involving kids in these decisions helps them develop a love for cooking and experimenting. In closing, cooking together creates deep bonds and lifelong memories. It's a chance for both fathers and children to explore exotic tastes while learning about world cultures in a playful and engaging manner. So why not transform your next cooking session into an educational adventure? Enjoy the time, cherish the smiles, and savor every bite.